Motivation, dog. You can motivate the girl. Motivation. Look at this rain. Look at how it's raining. Look at how chubby I am, dog. We don't care. Trails free. Trails free, baby. Yeah. Come roll with me. Let's tell stories. Alright, so I'm running right now. And is it scary? Yeah, it's scary. I don't want to get right now. I want to be comfortable. But I don't got to be comfortable today. I don't got to be comfortable any more days in my life. All I got to do is work through all the stuff in my head. Yeah. Think about new days. Yeah, I got wet socks. Yeah, these puddles getting bigger. But I don't care. Because I'm breathing. Yeah, this phone getting wet as fuck. These shorts feel like I damn pissed myself. I don't give a fuck. My earbuds falling. Now my head and my smoke is wet. My smoke wet. So we out here. Brand new day. Woo! Might not even need glasses. It's actually worse. Get these headphones in. Yeah. Real rain. Real rainy day. Motivation, baby. Motivation for all those people who can't afford no therapy like me. They said therapy gonna be your whole check. You was like me. You said, not mine. No. Ain't no benefits. This line of work, you gotta thug it out. Beard looking righteous, but you gotta thug it out. Yeah, y'all. See the vibes. See what we doing. Hear the thunder. Be motivated. We gonna be out here when it's snowy. We're gonna be out here all the time. It's the only thing we're guaranteed is suffering. Suffer with a good move. Woo! They got this whole trail open. Ain't nobody want to be out here. Said my Scorpio ass. Look at these stairs. We clearing. We achieving goals today. My Scorpio ass go, hey, I love this. Ain't nobody out. Ain't nobody out. Just me. Just me. Ain't nobody running out here with me in these conditions. But I'ma run. And I'ma feel better. That's what I'ma do. I'ma learn to overcome what I can't control. Like it's raining my eye. Wet socks. iPhone screen that blurs the top. Woo. Avoiding trees because I'm scared. Yeah. No. I don't want to try them out. Not them jokers. But this hill. Let's climb this hill. With them trees. Avoid them. You gotta go to higher ground. Yeah. Like I'm saying, ain't nobody on the trail these days. It's just me. Trying to get my first mile in. Though it's paused. It means I probably already ran a mile. I probably did not already run a mile. I can't lie to you. Whew. Get up these hills. You gonna get up this hill? We're gonna have a victory moment. We're gonna get up this hill. We're gonna have a victory moment. Okay? 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 Whew. Whew. Look at how empty. Everybody going home. That's how you get that solitude. Come out to the trail. Ain't nobody here. It's just you. It's just your mind. It's just your thoughts. Ain't nothing else. It's gonna rain. Let's walk it out. It's gonna rain. It always gonna rain. It might have been raining the day you was born. But you know what? It's gonna always keep raining. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do when you can't afford no therapy? The better help option ain't better helping you. What do? Man, if you me, you dealing with some depression issues, look at this trail. But ain't nobody else. That's what you do. That's what I do. Listen to this nature. Remember I was born in it. I'ma die in it. This is where I'ma thrive in. Don't thrive with me. Alright, y'all. We signing off from Raleigh, North Carolina today. Alright. Get your steps in. Get your push-ups in. Do what you gotta do, baby. Shoo. Let's get up to this hill and call it. I'ma keep walking, but I'ma let y'all go. I know y'all ain't got all this time. Whew. Couldn't even smoke my little, couldn't even smoke my smoke. It's alright. Rain picking up. We used to it. We used to this. We love this. Yeah. It smells good. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We signing off. Y'all be well. Y'all motivate yourself. Y'all work through this if you can afford health insurance like me. This is the cheapest one. I try them all. Alright. Y'all take it easy.